Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl Mukiago Kwenda ni Mutes, and you know what I give you? I give you fitness vlogs, travel vlogs, and healthy living vlogs. And on this particular video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do your squats properly, and they're gonna be effective and they'll help your muscles to grow and you know all that stuff. So without wasting more time, let's jump into the video and I show you how to do your squats properly. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment to be a part of this family. So you have to keep your legs apart, like wider, maybe same size with your shoulders or a bit wider from your shoulders, and then try to make your legs form like a V shape, so it's gonna be easy for you when you move down. And you're gonna just move as if you're gonna sit down and just go down. For your hands, they have to give you more balance, so you have to keep them like this, and it's gonna be really easy when you move down, you know. Just move like this, yeah, maybe from the side, yeah, that's simple. And this is very effective for your muscles. And from behind, more effective. You could probably add some movement, maybe move side to side, yeah, or maybe do double reps like that and then move, yeah. Try to go as down as you can and look like you're sitting down, so from the side it's gonna look like, probably maybe add more reps by moving, you know, you can move, and yeah, just like that, you can move, as many reps as you can. So for me, I try to do up to 60 plus, and I'm okay with it. So guys, let me